Chicken patties is one of my favorite snacks to make. Let me show you how I make mine. Gather these simple ingredients to make this amazing chicken patty. Fried chicken, cheese, ketchup and raw milk. Then start by unroll the pastry sheet onto the lighter surface or directly onto the parchment paper. Then cut a pastry crust into a square pieces. Use a pizza cutter or a knife to cut a square. Then stuff it with fried chicken, cheese. Now fold it and grip it with fork as you see so. Now it's time to transfer this into a baking dish. Make the different designs as you want. And again crimp it with a fork and transfer it to a baking dish. Brush the top with the raw milk, it gives a nice color and shine. Or use egg instead. And then sprinkle some sesame seeds on the top of the pastries. Then bake it 10 to 15 minutes in preheated oven. Now your chicken patties are ready. Enjoy these crispy golden chicken patties packed with the flavors and a perfect cheese surprise inside. Enjoy it! Bye!